At some point, my son has dropped something hard and round under the rear seat. So every time I accelerate, it rolls backwards, and every time I decelerate, it rolls forward. Also, if I go up or down hills. So I'll try to get some shots of what that sounds like, and then we're going to try to take that seat out and get it out. There's an acceleration, and here is a deceleration. I have moved both front seats all the way forward to give myself room. And according to the manual, this is a no-tools procedure. You simply lift up on the appropriate 2 points on this seat. And there's 2 clips, and you can kind of push in and lift up, and they'll just pop out. There we go. This is a 2015 model that has the seat heaters, and so there is a wire in a couple of places in here in the back that you have to disconnect to remove the seat completely. But I'm not trying to remove it completely, I'm just trying to pull all the junk out that's rattling around. I found several items under the seat. Oh, the rest of these were quiet. That is my problematic noise right there.